guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I wanted to review Xiaomi MiJia. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly, but this is an Oral Irrigator. So basically it's a water flosser. So this is how the product looks like. The reason why I choose this over like Waterpik or any other water flosser brand is because this one has the water tank over here attached. So basically when you are using this, you're not attached to any cable. So there is like the other Oral Irrigator that actually requires you to have this pipe attached, which you put it inside like a glass of water. So I do find that not really I don't know, suitable for me, because I just don't like to floss my teeth and then having to think about the pipe, think about the cable or anything like that. So I just kind of want it to be freehand, so I can just bring this everywhere. I can rotate it anyhow I want, because I do need to put it like inside the mouth and then like out, like over here on the outside, right? So to me, the absence of cable or any kind of pipe, that is a huge advantage for this product. Waterpik, they have that same similar model too, which they have the water tank attached to the water flosser. I guess Waterpik is really good because it's such a well-known brand and a lot of people are using it. It's just that too expensive for me. So of course, it really depends on your budget as well. Okay, so a little bit about this product. So it has 3 different modes of speed. Okay, actually not 3 but 4. I'm so sorry about that. So the top one, which is the fastest, and then middle speed, and then the lowest speed, and then this one is kind of like a pulsing kind of speed, so it goes bap 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 like that. Whether the other 3 are like continuous, so it's just continuously giving forces, so just like that. I mean, I'm so sorry you guys, I'm not really good at making sound. So anyway, how to use this is basically you have to aim it towards the gum line, and then close your mouth, and then only you press the power button to activate the water spray. So basically you do that, I think about, I don't know, I usually kind of do it just about 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, and then I move on to the other area, and then I move on to the other area. So basically I kind of just make sure that it's pretty clean. So I spray it for about 3 seconds and then only move on to the other tooth, and then that's for the outside, and then I repeat the same thing on the inside. So basically 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. So there is a slight difference whether you're using braces or not. Okay, so when I bought this product, it actually comes with 4 different I don't know what this is called, like pipe or something. So it comes with 4 different pipes. So the one that I'm currently using is for the one for the braces. So they have the 3. So this one is the standard one. This one is, if I'm not mistaken, to clean the tongue, and for this one I am not so sure. I think it's pretty similar with this. It's just that it doesn't really have that silicone tip on it. So and it comes with this kind of case as well, so you can just keep it after you clean it up. And when I am not having braces, I do enjoy using this tip over here, because it's just more like more towards the gum line, and it's like sharper, and I just feel like it's gonna clean better. But I think it's the same. It's just that this one is a lot more comfortable because it has this brush on it. When I have braces, I can't really touch the front part of my teeth so hard, so I have to kind of use something that is softer. So it kind of, this tip kind of gives like the transition. It's a lot more comfortable because when you touch the teeth, it's not that sharp. So that's just the difference. But I think they both kind of work the same, and they both clean just as nice. And Yeah, and also I also like the that this tip also helps in terms of if I wanted to clean the bracket. So when I use this one right here, it's actually too sharp, like it's too direct on the bracket. So I mean, I have never have any case where my bracket fell off because of that. No, it's just that it feels too hard, that's all. It just feels too hard, and it feels pretty soft. So yeah, if you are wearing braces, then I suggest you guys go for this kind of tip. Changing the tip is pretty easy. You just have to press this button, pull it out, and then get another one and press it down. Of course, before you wanted to use it, you have to make sure the water tank is full. I mean, of course, not have to be full, but there must be a water. So we basically just open this part right here, fill it up with water, and there you go. And this is rechargeable, which is using I think it's Type C. Yeah, it's a Type C kind of charging port. After you use it, you can charge it. And but for me, I don't know, it's like I have been using this for like 2 months now, and I only charge it once. So it's really amazing because you only need to charge it once every 2 months, I guess. I think that the only complaint that I have about this, it's not really a complaint, it's just that compared to Waterpik, which is like a better brand, Waterpik has like I think about 9 or 10 speed mode. Well, this one only has 4, and so I would say that this is not really, like, I don't know, maybe in some cases I do prefer it to be faster, like a bigger pressure. Maybe sometimes I want it to be more in the middle, but this one only has 3, so it's like very limited kind of speed. So but to me, I feel like it's fine. I usually use the fastest, the biggest pressure, because I really want to get the dirt out of my teeth. I just feel like the stronger the pressure, the more dirt is gonna come out. I don't know, that's just how I feel like it's going to really kick the dirt out. But when I first transitioned from the traditional floss to this one, I do have to use the lowest speed first, lowest pressure first. It really does feel like, whoa, there's something like attacking my gum or attacking my teeth or something. So basically, how to change the mode is just press this and then choose where the light goes. So that's the lowest, and then you just press this to activate the floss. They don't include the charger wall mount. When you buy this product, they only give you the charging cable. So the charging cable is Type C to the regular USB, and so you kind of just have to use your phone charger to plug the cable and then plug to this thing right here. And I don't really know like how many hours you need to charge, because usually I kind of just leave it overnight. Some people are asking and wondering like, can this replace regular floss? Can this replace the traditional floss? I would say that maybe it can, maybe it cannot. I really don't know what's the answer for that, honestly, because when I was researching, some doctors say that yes, this is replacing, this can definitely replace the traditional floss, but then some doctors say no, you still need to floss traditionally. But I find it that because I use this every day, and I don't really use the traditional floss anymore. So because of course with braces it's very difficult to do the regular traditional floss. So I just kept using this. I would because I use this every day, and then on top of that, every once in a week I would use the regular floss and then just floss it between my teeth. So like this helps a lot because I don't have to use the traditional floss every day, because of course that's like really difficult if you have braces. When you have braces, the food gets stuck so much easier compared to if you don't have braces. So I do find this is such a really great tool to have, because after I eat, then a lot of food gets stuck, but I cannot brush my teeth directly. I have to wait for about 20 minutes in order for the teeth to remineralize, and then only I can brush my teeth, right? So in that 20-minute period, of course it feels so annoying, and it feels so bad that you have a lot of food stuck, usually on the side of the teeth. So I usually grab one of these and then just water floss it right away, just get rid of all those big chunks of food that's stuck on your teeth. So when I do research if that's okay to do, a lot of dentists say yeah, that is really okay to do, as long as you don't brush your teeth right after you eat, then that's fine. And then after that, I wait for 20 minutes, then only I can brush my teeth as usual. So, and then of course after I brush my teeth as usual, I grab this and floss it again. The reason why this is in my opinion a lot better than the traditional flosser is because it really gets the job a lot easier and faster, compared to, you know, like the string kind of floss where you have to put it inside and then you have to do all these things and then you have to get it out and then put it again. It's just I don't know, I just feel like this is a lot easier. Like you just have to put it there, close your mouth, turn it on like that, and then that's done, and then do the same thing, that's done, and then do the same thing to the inner side, and then that's done. It's just a lot easier. So yeah, that's my review for this Xiaomi MiJia Oral Irrigator. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope this is beneficial for you as well. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.